All right, everyone. Let's talk about cryptocurrencies today. And let's talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum because those are the main two cryptocurrency coins. And the last few weeks has been a little bit disappointing. Well, wasn't disappointing. It was expected. If you have been following my channel, then you would have seen that I did tell about one pattern which was forming over here right at the top, right? And I didn't mention that we could see some kind of a pullback, but the problem over here is we did see a lot of pullback. Now, this is something which was unexpected, but yeah, most of them already lost hope that whether it might go up or not. Now, at least I can give you one little hope, one or two reasons that there are chances that the market could go up from here. Now, first of all, this is a good place. Like we are at the support right now, and this level which you're seeing right over here. Now, this is a good level for any big institutes to, buy over here. And I know like quite a lot of, whales, they have already invested like billions of dollars, I guess. So obviously it will be quite difficult for the market to break down from this level. Now, if it breaks down from this level, you can see there are no much support over here. So directly we could see a fall till this level, right? Now, I'm not saying this to scare or something like that, but this is what the market can do. All right, but fortunately we can see some kind of a good level of support over here. And also, just like how I have drawn the previous pattern, we can find another pattern over here, and that is one thing which is helping me to hold the Bitcoin or the Ethereum. So let's see that pattern now. So we have this cipher formation over here, A to B, B to C, and CD completion. It was getting somewhere, it was getting over somewhere over here. Yeah, somewhere over here. So about this pattern now, cipher usually is a continuation pattern. I seen this a lot of time working. It has been my go-to pattern when the market is in an uptrend. Now, why do I say that? Because if you know how the market works, you know for the fact that market does this ebbs and flows, right? So once there will arise a situation that market can do a complex pullback, and that complex pullback will be like this. Most of them will think that okay, the markets is going to turn around from here. Basically, they'll be thinking that the bearish move has started, but after that you can see that the market just shooting up from here. Now, that's why I said that this could be my go-to pattern, because there are multiple harmonic patterns over there, but one of my favorites is the cipher pattern, right? So that is the same thing which I'm expecting over here. So let me remove all this. So yeah, so let's take the Fibonacci retrace. Okay, let's draw that pattern again. By mistake I have removed it. So A to B, B to C, and CD completion somewhere over here. Now, yeah, the pattern is getting completed at 37,466, and you might be wondering, well, the market is falling down even more now. Now, here's the thing. This pattern is valid until this X leg is broken. So we have a room now till here, right? Now, market could turn around from here as well. Now, that is the possibility which this pattern is giving us. So I'm definitely expecting some kind of a correction over here. So I'm not saying that the market might break the 6,900 and whatever level the whole other YouTubers are saying. No, that's not what I'm saying. My intention is that there could be a little bit of pullback which you can expect from here. So wherever you're seeing the turnaround, right? Now, we don't know where the low is. It could be over here. Yeah, it could be over here, or it could be right over here itself, right? So wherever the turnover is happening, the price reversal zone, So you take your Fibonacci retracement and then you draw from the C to the D leg, wherever it is getting completed. And the first target you can go ahead with 382 and 618. If you want to sell it in profit, then this is something which you can expect. It can go either to 382 or it can go up to 618. If it is going up to 618, it is even more better, because we can have some kind of a greater hope, I would say, that the market could go up from here. Now, if I go to the daily time frame, I'll tell you what is happening. So yeah, so let me put my, and this is the first target of 382 and the second target of 618. Now, how did the market move? When the downfall was happening, we had the swing high and swing lows and swing low, swing high. Again, we have this over here. So the first level of swing, which is near to the 382. Now, if it can reach over here, it is breaking two swings. Okay, now that's a good news. Unless it breaks all the way till there and then it just falls like this. Now that can be a bad news. But let's look at what are the other reasons for me to believe that this is good. Let me remove some of the arrows over here. Okay, now on the daily time frame, you might not see, but if you go to the 4 hour time frame, and also if you look at it now, this is really a good sign for me. Yes, the market did try to go up, and what you can see is, if you know what RSI divergence is. Now, RSI divergence is something which I always use when it comes to all these all these harmonic patterns over here. So in the price reversal zone, if I find a RSI divergence, now I think that's a really good sign. So hoping that it can turn around from here, right? It can go even more further. That can happen. So this is the RSI bullish divergence which I'm talking about. Now that is one point, and I do think that there might be a little more. Let's see whether we have an equal measured move over here to see whether we have a retracement. Let's see. All right, so this is basically an equal measured move, which should be over here. So yeah, a little more to complete, almost near to it. Okay, so everything is looking good for now. Okay, even though the market is falling. Now that's how these patterns are. You might feel that the trend has changed, and all of a sudden, boom, the market might change its trend from here itself. So that is one of the reasons why I always believe on this pattern. Yes, my belief will go in water once we have a break and close below this major structure over here. So not that huge. That is a price reversal zone for my pattern over here, but this is the structure. Now this is the last where it has gone till 28. Now if we can hold on to this level of 28 for 500, you can say, in that round figure, if we can hold that, well and good. So this is what my last hope is for the Bitcoin. Now if this doesn't hold, like I mentioned, it can go even more further down. Now how much further down? I already mentioned it can go all the way down to 19,000, right? So now this similar pattern, you can see it on Ethereum as well, right? Now Ethereum, where is it? Yeah, so the same pattern, the cipher one. We have X to A to B, B to C, and CD completion. Yeah, it is getting over at 786 right over here, and we have that room for the price to reverse from here. And let me see whether we have it should be there, the RSI divergence. Yeah, so it's good as of now, unless, like, I'm okay for this to fall down till here. Okay, it's just that I want the market to bounce off from here. That's it. It can go all the way down, just bounce off from there. That I'm good with that, right? And if you can hold on to this level, that is also good. And market might fall even more further. Now if you look at the whole world market, right, if you look at US, you look at Indian market just crashed today. So that was expected. It's no big deal. I've been telling that a long time. It was bound to happen, and it just happened. Basically, in US, inflation is going high, and yeah, things might go even more worse. So yeah, hold on to it. This time also will pass. Just wish that maybe crypto might show some light. uh, for now, this is what I'm expecting in in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, if these two are falling, most of the cryptocurrencies bound to fall. Okay, but if it is reversing from there, then you can see some uh, that the whole market will be changing its direction from here. So that's what I wanted to talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum. I hope you guys are doing well. Not everybody has sold off whatever they were holding. So, Hodl, I'll see you in the next video.